Good evening, friends, or evening, yam. Good morning, friends. Today, fresher openings in Techmahindra. We have openings for 1 year, 1 year experienced people. Like here, you see this skills Java standard. Number of openings is one. Location is Vizag, and one more opening is for business analyst. The location is same, Vizag only. Next. Yeah, this all from Andhra Pradesh. You search in like that. Go to that career option and search for your locality and type your skill set, and you will get the details about that job. That I will show you one job information. Then you will get an idea. You see this option get started in IT opportunities. Search once. Just you type that information about your country. Page not found. I think it's busy somewhat, I think. Okay, friends. Later you can search all this information. You usually by going into the career options, you will see that all options. How to search it by seeing that page only you can understand. Next company is celStream. This company is hiring for the freshers. They in their website only they clearly said that if you are a fresher without experience, send your resume, and I will show you that career options page in that. This is the technologies they are working with: embedded firmware, React.js, system administrator, React Native backend, DB developer. Like that, they have only said that to send their resumes to their HR team. See this information. If you are a fresher without experience, send your resume. So for these are the above mentioned technologies they are hiring. Please share your resumes by indicating or by mentioning your projects, what you did in your training or in your study, like in graduation time or in degree time. Next company I'm going to show you about TechSoft company. It's hiring for 1 minute. I will show that page. This is the TechSoft. This company is hiring for the roles PHP, Python, that's HTML, CSS. PHP developers they need to have the skills like HTML, CSS, and somewhat information about that knowledge on JavaScript. Okay, you see here this Python developers. I will show you that one Python developer notification. This all not for the fresher openings. Some technologies are they're hiring for the freshers. First one is that for Python developers. I will show you that information. One is for Python developers. This is that there is no experience needed for that. This is all for information under this requirement is for the freshers only. Next company, by seeing that website only, in that you can understand what are the requirements and technologies you need to learn. Next company is Jireh Software Private Limited, Android Business and Solutions. This company is hiring for that freshers for the Android developers, business analysts, HRs, and PHP developers. Indeed also they post that job notification. Friends, you can see this information here. By going into the career option, you can see all the fresher openings. This is that Python developers for not for freshers. It is for the experienced. They're hiring for the business development executive, freshers, and Android developers. Some I will show that notification also. You will get clarity. This is the PHP developers they are hiring. They are mentioned that skill set also that this in the description. You will get clarity. what the skills you need to have for the 0 to 2 experience. It is for the freshers only. This is the for HR. This is for the Android developers. Jira. This company is Jira Software Private Limited. Okay, friends. Next company is BrandBucket. This company is hiring for the freshers. Okay, freshers are Python developers. By going to the career website, we will career page. You will get a clarity. These are creative director or AI artificial engineer. This all for experienced. In DevOps part time, this is also for the freshers only. Once you visit the website or career page, you can get the clarity. Next company is Websnor company is hiring for that .NET, ASP.NET interns for digital marketing, PHP, larval developer, Angular, JS. Uh, I will show that company website for career related page. Okay. These are all the technologies they are using, friends. I will mention, I will share all this information in the description about that company websites and that HR mail IDs. All the links in that description only, not in that. Possible, I will share it in the Telegram group also. In the description only, you will get all this information. Okay, once you search that in career web page, career page, I'm not getting that page. That's the reason. Okay, here you can see that information. Once you click on that best iPhone application development, not this. Once you visit, friends, if you have any doubts, comment or message me in Telegram or Instagram. I will give the update. Once you search that career web page is there only. Uh, if I search for that, it will take more time. Next company is for the OmkarSoft. It is hiring for the PHP and the front end developers. Okay. This is Winfield one course of. First, I will tell you that Winfield Parker. This company is hiring for the front end and the back end, Python plus Java and C plus plus freshers only. Career options, available jobs. Here you can see that's back end developers, and you can directly submit for the application. Later, next company is services. BrandBucket best. Next, that is OmkarSoft. I tell you that PHP and front end developer. This is hiring for the. Okay. In career web page, we can see that OmkarSoft. Next company is Winfield is completed. This is that company is hiring for the front end, back end, Python and Java, C++. Next company is Infoane. This is hiring for the JavaScript full stack developers. Its location is Hyderabad. I mentioned this. All the above companies are from Bangalore. Locality is Bangalore, but the Infoane company is from Hyderabad company. I will show you that Infoane. Open positions, junior full stack developer. This I think this cold fusion, this these openings are closed, but JavaScript developer, I think UI developer or something is trainee developer. This trainee developer 0 to 1 year experience. These openings are closed, but junior full stack developer, these openings are still. I think the two positions are there, and these are the skills they mentioned: Cold Fusion development, HTML, CSS, Ajax, and that experience and ASP, GSP, JSF, JavaScript, and Action. Not experience means you while you are taking training, you will get a knowledge on that. You have minimum knowledge. For that reason only they mentioned that experience. Not this is for the this two openings for freshers only. And next company is Moody's. This is hiring for the Java full stack developers. Okay, this all the links I will mention in the description. Thank you, friends.